Withdrawing money from Bybit to bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to go to the website bybit.com. So this is the interface with which you are going to interact. Scroll down the page. Here you see the My Assets section. Go to Asset Details. So at the top left of the page, you see the tab Withdraw present next to the Deposit tab. And all you need to do is enter your withdrawal wallet address. But what if you have not withdrawn any amount before? Even then, it's a simple process to do. Click on Add to add one address. The Zengo address can be viewed over here. After this, select the right blockchain network. For example, ERC20. Then mention the amount to be withdrawn. Tap on Submit. Make sure you click on the right network. After clicking the Submit button, it is compulsory to verify the withdrawal by entering email verification. So all this process may take up to 30 minutes. So you will be notified once the transfer is successful and you are all done. Following this simple tutorial, you can easily withdraw money from Bybit to bank account.